Hello again everyone, this is Phil from Encore Bambino Piano School, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the Mifaso 88 key foldable electric piano. First we have the protective carrying case, and I was actually able to take the keyboard with me to a session already, and what I like best is while some carrying cases can be overly clunky, this one was protective, lightweight, and easy to carry. It was even raining and kept the keyboard well protected. Next, we have the power adapter / charger, and one of the features of this keyboard is that once fully charged, it gives you 10 hours of battery life, which makes it ideal for traveling with. And as you can see here, it comes with a sustain pedal as well, very responsive, very durable, and another added benefit that comes with the keyboard. Next up, we will see a 1/4 inch adapter. If you are a session player, this is ideal to have various types of connections with you to make it easy to plug and play. And if you're a piano teacher, it comes with these amazing stickers that you can choose to use with your students. Also, we have an additional power source or power cord that you can use with your laptop or desktop computer for MIDI. Next, we have a music stand that easily snaps right into place for your music. And as you can see, the Mifaso 88 key foldable keyboard has a sleek design. It's lightweight and very sturdy, the perfect traveling keyboard. And I opted for the white design, but it also comes in black. It unfolds and easily locks into place, and you are ready to rock and roll. I'd like to thank Julian Quander and the Mifaso team for including me in this opportunity. This is an amazing keyboard.